The following is our split course method when we're doing a pipe. First, we'll go ahead and cut our bottom base panel out around the pipe. Then we're going to take our pipe jack, and anything behind that course, we're going to fold over on itself to create a water stop on all three sides, as you can see here. Then we'll come back with our caulking underneath that pipe. And we'll go ahead and place this. We can form this, trim this as needed. Fasten that down into the panel, into that caulking. Then we'll come back with our panel. We're going to go ahead and find our pipe and just cut around the pipe like so. And then just fasten as normal. Then when we're all said and done, we'll come back. We're going to go ahead and do our caulking around our pipe. And then we'll take our granules, go ahead and put those into our caulking.